My name's Nick Sanderland and I'm Programme Leader of BA Fine Art. With Fine Art, we get the student to come up with the brief themselves, which is their own artistic journey and their own artistic process. They're given the space and the advice and the support to be able to create their own artistic and individual practice. And when they go through that journey of 3 years, it's amazing the transformation, the sense of confidence and the ability to reach out and embrace and engage into a wider sphere.
I've just tried different things that I hadn't tried before coming here, and that kind of made me expand my discipline and try different methods and different mediums.
I think the fact that it's one campus and everybody is together, and one of the aspects that we really work with on the course is collaboration. There's an opportunity to work with the performing arts, collaborative practice, and also with the digital arts. And so we have students producing work for 3D virtual space now, which is quite unique.
The facilities are amazing. Like, we have the dark rooms, film photography, printmaking, ceramics, metal workshops, wood workshops, 3D workshops, 3D printing. It's just amazing. Like, you can do anything you want.
Throughout the programme, we introduce initiatives that come in from outside, for example, painting prizes. We have students who regularly win the Freelance Painting Prize. That's an ongoing thing. Students are exhibiting in the ICA New Contemporaries. That's been happening for quite a few years now. So I went to the private view the other day, very proud, huge queues around the block. Central London, major gallery, and our students work a prime view. So I'm very proud to have that facilitated. It's absolutely wonderful.
Before coming here, all my art research was based on like Instagram and Pinterest. So now they're like read books and watch films. So that definitely like broadened my knowledge of art.
Every year we have this thing called Events Day, which we take over the building and open it up for students to do whatever they want in an experimental capacity and have the right to fail. This is a wonderful thing. It's all about trying, and through failure and that opportunity, which isn't judged, you can then develop your practice.